really fighting a great inequity that has become more apparent with the devastation from Hurricane Maria. I know many people did not really understand how the territories are treated so unequally when it comes to their health care needs and Medicaid. There is this flexible state-federal partnership, the matching flexes over time from Florida when a hurricane hits or tough economic times hit. Floridians aren't asked to pay more. It's flexible, and that's the way it should be. But not so for Puerto Rico. And now they need our help more than ever. And I am completely floored that the White House now has sent over, as Mr. Lujan mentioned from Mr. Mulvaney, a request for the emergency bill next week that does not address the health care needs for Puerto Rico. And what Mr. Mulvaney says is he says, okay, all departments by October 25th send us all of your requests. We cannot wait that long. The folks in Puerto Rico cannot wait that long. They're out of money, and meanwhile people have health care needs, and doctors want to help them, and the hospitals want to help them. So HHS says, okay, October 25th, here's our request, and then the Congress doesn't come back to Halloween, so the help doesn't get to Puerto Rico till sometime in November, maybe. Meanwhile, this is so inexplicable because the bipartisan conversations happening around the Congress this week about Puerto Rico have been, okay, what is going to go into the emergency package next week for Puerto Rico on health needs? And then the White House President Trump goes down there yesterday, and the request that comes out after talking with all the leaders there is nothing for the health care needs. This grand inequity that has gotten worse after the hurricane, it's unbelievable. I'm totally floored by it. And I'm calling on our Republican friends again. Here is a way directly where we can step up right now, knowing that it's not in the White House's priority. It's not in their priority list for the emergency package next week. So this committee really has a very serious responsibility now. This is all in our jurisdiction, and we should take it. Send the message to the appropriators. Some of them are working on this right now, and I hope we can't vote it down, because what message would that send to the appropriators as they prepare the package next week? That's just not going to fly. We simply can't leave our fellow citizens hanging in Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. So I urge a yes vote. Let's move this immediately. And I appreciate Mr. Lujan's leadership.